What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install apps on your LG Smart TV. So over here is my LG WebOS Smart TV, and in this video I'm going to cover both how to download apps from the LG App Store, and towards the end of this video I'm going to show you how to download any Android app APK into your LG Smart TV without any issue. Now first things first, to download and install apps on your LG Smart TV from the LG App Store, you want to make sure that your LG Smart TV is actually connected to the internet. So make sure that it is actually connected to the internet from the settings, and once you're actually connected to the internet, what you want to do is to come over to the home of your LG Smart TV. So make sure you press on the home button, and this is basically the home. Now you want to scroll horizontally on this list of apps over here, so just scroll horizontally until you highlight the apps icon over here. So it's actually the LG App Store, so go ahead and click on it. Now once the LG Smart TV App Store loads, you can basically just go over to this search icon at the top right corner of the LG Smart TV and search for the specific app you want to download. So just scroll over to the top and then click on the search icon. Once you click on it, you can actually go ahead and search for the specific app you want to download and install on your LG Smart TV. Alternatively, you can actually go ahead and sort out all of the apps over here and then just find any app that is actually suitable for you. You can basically see from the top that apps are actually arranged in different categories. So I can actually come over to this category column over here, over to entertainment, and from entertainment you can basically see all of the apps that are actually under entertainment. Now if you go over to games, you're also going to see all of the games app that are actually available for download on your LG Smart TV. Also to news, the same thing, and then to live and also education. And then for instance, if I want to download games, I'll just come over to the games column over here, scroll down, and then just go ahead and search for any game I want on my LG Smart TV. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and select the Need for Speed app over here. So just go ahead and press on the OK button on my remote control. And from here, you just want to go ahead and click on the install button at the top over here. So press on OK. Now this is going to take a minute or two to install the app you actually want into your LG Smart TV. Now once it is installed, you can go ahead and launch it up by just clicking on the launch button over here. Alternatively, you can just come over to the home of your LG Smart TV again, and if you scroll over to this list of apps over here, you can literally see that the Need for Speed app has been added to the list of apps on our LG Smart TV. So basically, that is just one way to download and install apps on your LG Smart TV. Now, if you want to be able to download and install Android apps into your LG Smart TV, then you definitely will need to get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now you see, this is the Mi TV stick, and it actually has a HDMI dongle that looks just like this. And once you get this device and connect it to any of the HDMI ports on your LG WebOS Smart TV, it automatically gives the TV the Android environment to now be able to download and install Android apps into your LG Smart TV. Now basically this is how the dongle actually looks like. So you want to go ahead and connect this HDMI dongle to any of the HDMI ports on your LG Smart TV. I'm just going to go ahead and connect mine so you see. So I have connected mine, and the next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and press on the input button on your TV, and then go ahead and select the HDMI port where the actual device is actually plugged on your TV. Now once you select it just like so, it automatically gives your TV that Android environment for you to now be able to download and install Android apps into your LG Smart TV. You can literally see that it works properly. So if I come over to the list of apps over here, you can literally see Android apps and APKs that is being installed into this Smart TV device. So what you want to do is to go ahead and get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one, and once you get it and plug it to any of the HDMI ports on your LG Smart TV, you should be able to download and install Android apps into your LG Smart TV without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.